Hello everybody, today I am going to show you how to make these paper rockets which can fly by blowing in a straw. Let me show you how. So now I'll blow in the straw and it flies, something like this. So to make this we need a sheet of paper, any kind, any color, straw, some tape, scissors and a ruler. So first we'll take the sheet of paper and I am going to mark it at 8 centimeters of length, but you can mark it wherever you want, but make sure that it is not too small or not too big, or it will not fly nicely. So now I have marked it on 8 centimeters. And now I am going to cut a rectangle. Make sure that the width of the rectangle is more than the straw's circumference. So now we have the rectangle. Here it's 8 centimeter. Now I'll take the straw and I'll roll it on the straw. Make sure you do only one roll. Okay, so now it's one roll. Now I'm going to cut it. So now we'll take some tape and then put it on one side of the paper, and then we'll stick the other side to it. Like this. So now we have a paper tube. Make sure that it slides freely on the straw. Now we'll flat it a little bit on the top, something like this, and then we'll take a small piece of tape and we'll put it on it. Like this, so the top end is sealed. We can cut off the excess tape. So I'll flat it a little bit more. Just make sure you don't flat it on the bottom end. Let's see, does it fit or not? Okay, it's fitting nicely. Now let's test it. Okay, so it's flying nicely. So now we'll make the fins for it. I am going to make only 2 fins, but you can make more than that. So I'll fold this piece of paper in triangle shape like this. You can use other piece of papers or you can use other shapes. I'm just going to do a triangle and only 2 fins. You can make however you want. So now I have a square piece like this. First I had a triangle, I folded it so I get a square. So now I'll cut from the middle of it. Now we have our 2 fins like this. One is the left one and one is the right one. See, I cut it like this, so we have now two pieces. Now we'll take the paper tube and just flatten it on the sides little bit, and it will go like this on both the ends. We'll put some tape on the fin, one side of the fin. Like this. You can cut off the excess or just fold it in back side of the fin, and then put it on the flattened area and then stick it. You have to do this for all the fins, and put the tape both sides so that it's durable. It will look something like that. Now we'll put it on the straw and then blow it. So it flies nicely. So you can make it any colors. Fin colors can be different, the number of fins can be different. You can play many games by it, and if you blow correctly, this will go more far. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.